Hello, in this video, we show two functions, sub and gsub, which can be used to replace substrings in R. So in substring working, the useful function is sub, which will substitute the old string with a new string in this string object, and this will only replace the first instance of an old string, and gsub will replace all instances of a substring, so they have both the same form. So next we will show examples in RStudio, and you can download this file from this website. Download the menu, can find R source file. And we also provide R and Python training from this website if you are interested. Then we go to RStudio and open this file. Open this file and found the place for replacing substrings using sub and gsub. So first we create a long string called str. Then we can use sub curly with a mode and for this string object. So the result is a new string, and you can see the first instance of curly has been replaced with a mode. But the second instance of curly is not replaced, because sub will only replace the first instance of the match old string. And comparatively, if we use gsub with the same form, then the result will be a new string where curly has been replaced with mode for all instances. So this is very easy to perform with sub and gsub in R for working with strings. Thanks for watching.